Hello, my name is Mariola. Welcome to my channel Slow Down in Style. Today I have one of my sit-down videos when I present one item in 5 different ways. I got a lot of positive comments and requests to style different items in this series, so I'm very happy to continue. And today I decided to style one of the most popular requests, which is a waistcoat. This waistcoat has a very classic cut. It's made of Lyocell and Viscose, so in general a really nice breathable material. It's not too short, it's not long, it's, as I said, it's quite classic. However, you can use the outfits that I'm presenting, the ideas, to style your longer waistcoats and just get some inspiration for a slightly different cut. So again, I've got my iPad with me just so I don't miss any details on my outfits. And before I start, I want to explain how I style my waistcoat in general with my body type. So I'm pretty much straight up and down with slightly wider shoulders. So I usually try to add volume on my hips, on the bottom part in general. I want to make sure that my hips kind of recreate that shape and the volume. So that's a general tendency with my outfits. But whenever I could, I made sure to record a slimmer equivalent, a slimmer version for those of you who are more curvy, maybe an hourglass shape, and my oversized and voluminous bottoms wouldn't work for you. So I want to start this lookbook with a pair of jeans. I got these light wash jeans a few days ago in a charity shop and I absolutely love the color and the fit. I actually wore it outside for the last day of school of my daughters. Now I wasn't sure if I wanted to wear them full length or folded up. As a cropped jeans. So I left both legs in a different length. So you decide which one is better. I actually went outside like that and I really enjoyed it. I love the color combination in this outfit, so I added a beige bag. I felt like anything black, anything dark just wouldn't work because it's such a nice summery outfit. Oh, actually, I just remembered I added a silk scarf to my bag. I haven't done that in years, but it feels really summery as well, so I thought, why not? Very simple, smart and casual at the same time. I also recorded a little clip with a t-shirt underneath, just for those cold days or when it gets cold in the evening. It works both ways, so I'm very happy it's more versatile. Before I start with the outfit number 2, I just want to say that I really tried to challenge myself to style that waistcoat, that very classic waistcoat, in different ways than we see everywhere on Pinterest and Instagram. So I don't feel you can create a lot of unique, unusual outfits unless your clothes are quite unique. But I think I've managed to create something interesting here nonetheless. So for outfit number 2, I prepared a skirt. Now this skirt is actually the skirt that's on the hanger. This skirt is relatively new in my wardrobe. I thrifted it about 2 weeks ago. It's a skirt from COS and it was 2 sizes too big for me, so I just took it to my local tailor. And in this case, I really just needed a smaller waist because I like the volume of the skirt. I love the color of the skirt. It goes so well with the beige waistcoat. I must say it's a little bit out of my comfort zone to style this type of skirt, a long A-line skirt with a waistcoat. I think it's just new and I have to get used to it. So even though it's quite different and unusual, I like it. That skirt, by the way, is cotton. It looks almost like coated. It's kind of shiny. So it has very nice fabric, very nice color. It adds something really interesting to the outfit. And here I decided to wear my Birkenstock, both for the color, to kind of go both with the skirt and the waistcoat, but also to keep that volume. I feel like the general silhouette is quite voluminous. thanks to the skirt. Now, to make the outfit a little bit more modern and city appropriate, I added a black bag, so you focus on something in the outfit. It's not too neutral, not too tonal. There is a point of interest. Now, for those of you who prefer more fitted style and more feminine silhouettes, I styled the waistcoat with my slip skirt, and it doesn't really work for me. I don't feel very comfortable because I don't like to wear my slip skirt, which shows all your imperfections in your hips, in your stomach, with something fitted as well. So it's not something I wear with pleasure. I would probably wear it to a restaurant to look nice and sophisticated, to a lunch with a friend, but not as a casual outfit like the voluminous skirt. For the next outfit, one of my absolute favorite color combinations for summer, which is black and beige. So here we can see my wide leg linen trousers from Not Perfect Linen that I've talked about in many videos. I love these trousers, the fabric, and in general linen from this brand. So this is an interesting combination. Again, we have the slim waistcoat and very wide leg trousers. In my opinion, they really work. It's such a harmonious outfit, and it's a very simple one too. So sometimes, as you can see, less is better and it's just more impactful. In the clip, I'm wearing gold jewelry, and I think I added a black beaded necklace as well. Today I'm wearing the same outfit, but I've decided to go for silver. My thrifted bracelets or a bangle, and my earrings, again thrifted. I'm also wearing my vintage Casio watch as well because I wanted some white, and my other watch has black. What is that called? I forgot. Oh, this is actually vintage as well, the chain. This is from Poland. All silver. I really, really love it. Now back to the outfit. I feel like the silhouette is very modern and I would say COS style because of the trousers, and I could go with more contemporary bag to kind of accentuate that style even more, but for this occasion I wanted to wear my basket bag, maybe to keep it more summery, light, very casual as well. And that's it. That's my outfit number 3. The next outfit is such a classic, and I think classic in terms of colors. And for me, because I've worn this combination before, I just love a beige waistcoat and wide leg white trousers. It's so light, summery, very chic as well. Because the trousers are linen, they add something more raw and casual to the outfit. And here we can see that contemporary oversized tote bag. I think because the outfit was going that old money, quiet luxury direction, and I didn't want to go that way. It's always a little bit too preppy and too elegant for me. So I wanted to add something modern. And also I've worn my pearls, but a different style of pearls, which are very modern and young, with the pixel smiley face on it. Again, it's a mixture of sophisticated and fun. Just a little reminder, don't take your outfit and fashion too seriously. So again, this is my favorite silhouette, oversized and voluminous at the bottom, and slim top that accentuates my shoulders. But don't worry, for those of you who prefer something slimmer, something that can show your curves a little bit more, just simple straight leg white jeans. So it's very much the same outfit with a different style of trousers. I don't like myself in this outfit. It's too much of a stick silhouette. It doesn't work for me, but I'm sure this would work amazingly for someone who has more curves and a nice waist. And the last outfit, black linen trousers but slightly slimmer and cropped. The beauty of these trousers is that they tailored. So you have the pleats, you have the belt loops, which makes them look much more sophisticated and chic. And whatever you style them with is always gonna look more elegant. So I've styled them with and without a white t-shirt. You can also use a white tank top. If you're too self-conscious to wear a waistcoat on its own because it's too open here and maybe you don't want to show your arms, just wear a t-shirt so it's still quite modest but very acceptable for hot weather. So that's my 5 outfits using just one classic waistcoat. I hope you liked it. I hope you got some inspiration to style your own waistcoat, or maybe to buy one if you were considering and you didn't know how to style it. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm almost at 30k and I'm so happy and really excited that this channel is going somewhere, and that also means that you enjoy my content and I want to create more and more for you. Have a lovely week and I see you in my next video. Bye!